Hello students. So today we will learn about the names of 30 different fruits. Fruits are not only delicious but healthy too. A fruit is the part of a flowering plant that contains the seeds. Fruits contain important minerals and vitamins that help in boosting our immunity. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different types of fruits that we consume. So let's begin without any further delay. This is a strawberry. 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 This is an apple. 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 This is a banana. 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 These are grapes. 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 This is an orange. 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 These are pears. 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 This is a pomegranate. 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 These are berries. 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 These are blueberries. 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 This is a cherry. 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 This is a coconut. 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 This is a kiwi. 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 This is a pineapple. 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 This is a raspberry. 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 This is a peach. Peach. This is a chestnut. 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 This is a watermelon. 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 This is a plum. 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 This is a avocado. 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 This is a lime. 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 This is a gooseberry. 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 This is an apricot. 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 This is a lemon. 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 This is a mango. 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 This is a lychee. Litchi. Lychee. This is a guava. 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 This is a custard apple. Custard. Custard apple. This is a dragon fruit. Dragonfruit. Dragon fruit. This is a papaya. 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 These are dates. Dates. Dates.